Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit long legs video in CapCut. So if you want to create the trendy long legs effect seen in viral Instagram reels, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how you can stretch and enhance your video for that stylish and eye-catching look. So let's just start by click on CapCut or launch the CapCut application so you can use this edit for your walking or dance video. Here I'm going to just use a video from CapCut library. Let's just find someone walking. Okay, here I'm going to just use this video. For example, you can also use this for your dancing video to make your legs look longer and to make your body look taller. You can just tap on add. Okay, so this is the before. I'm going to edit this. You can just click on the video, swipe through the toolbar in CapCut and go to the retouch options. Click on the body category and in here you can just use the auto. You can also choose between auto, manual, or presets. So in here you can other than legs, you can also edit your body, waist, legs, chest. You can also brighten, you can edit your hips and everything. Sorry, let's try again. Enhance, what is it? Sorry, retouch. Here I'm going to, let's say, edit the body first. So you can just adjust the slider to the left or right, and also the legs. You can see it will make the legs longer, but you need to be careful not to make the legs out of frame just like this. So I'm going to go adjust it maybe around 55. And here you can also make your waist look smaller using this. So you can just tap on a check icon and see the result first. Now you see the woman has longer legs now. So this is the before. You can see this is the before and this is the after. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.